Hello and welcome back. Now that you have successfully logged into Schoology, I would like to show you the gradebook. From the home page here on the left hand side we have grades, and that is what we will click on. When you click on this, it will automatically open up the gradebook, and when we are in school, we currently will have all the different subjects listed here, and this is where you could click on any subject to see how your child is doing in that subject. Unfortunately, it's summer, so I don't have any current courses right now, but what I can show you is another advantage of Schoology is that we can actually look back at how our child was doing by clicking on past. And so I can show you the gradebook by clicking on past and looking at some of last year's gradebooks. And so first of all, you can see the gradebook is divided up by trimester, and each trimester is divided up by subject. So if you want to see how your child is doing in reading, let's say in the second trimester, I would click on that and the gradebook opens up. Now, the way we have divided up each gradebook is by category. The categories are indicated in gray, and we do this because it gives us the opportunity to weight grades. And so we have certain grades like homework might be worth a little bit less towards the overall grade, and certain grades like test scores might be worth a little bit more towards their overall grade. So we use categories so that we can weight our grades. Now you can also see some of the assignments below the categories. Some are indicated in black, which is just what we call a grade column. It's just something that I entered directly into the gradebook and did not actually create an assignment. So it's not a link. However, some of them are blue, and these are actual assignments that I created and have directions and explanations and things like that. And these you actually can click on from the gradebook to see what those directions were and actually find out more about an assignment if you had a question, for example, about a grade or whatever. Other than that, each category, I can tell you, does have its own overall grade. That can be helpful if you are wondering how your child was doing on a particular category. For example, homework. Sometimes we wonder, well, how's my child doing on all their homework assignments? You can scroll down and find the homework category and then scroll all the way to the bottom of those assignments, and you can see what their overall homework grade was. The gradebook columns are broken down by maximum points, and that is how many points total the assignment was worth, and the grade column, and that's how many points your child got on that assignment. The comment section is mostly blank, but sometimes I like to add in a comment, and if I type it out, it shows up right here in the gradebook, and that can be kind of helpful sometimes. The last thing I'll mention is, if I scroll way down here, I notice that in the grade column, sometimes there'll be stuff other than a grade, like an asterisk. And an asterisk simply means that I have not graded that assignment yet. It's waiting to be graded. The other thing that might show up is a big green dot. If a green dot shows up, that simply means that your child was excused from that assignment. They didn't have to do it, so it doesn't count towards their grade. Other than that, to look at the overall grade, you go all the way to the bottom and you'll see where it says trimester grade. That is their overall grade for that subject. So in this case, we were looking at reading. You can see that my sample student for trimester 2 has an overall grade of 97% in reading. That's pretty much the basics for the gradebooks. I hope you find that helpful, and thanks for watching.